Our chapter is oscillation, and next article of this chapter is differential equation of simple harmonic motion. Before this, see the definition of simple harmonic motion. The simple harmonic motion is motion of the body in which it is oscillatory motion. It is a periodic motion in which internal restoring force acting on the body is directly proportional to its displacement, that is, internal restoring force is directly proportional to displacement and directed in opposite direction to the displacement. Now see the oscillation of this object. This is the mean position. These two are extreme position. When body oscillates along these two positions, the internal restoring force tries to move this body towards the mean position. That means direction of this internal restoring force is towards the mean position. See, the direction of this internal restoring force is towards the mean position and displacement is in opposite direction. That means this negative sign indicates that internal restoring force and displacement is in opposite direction. Let us consider F equal to minus of K into X. K is the constant. K is the constant. Now using Newton's second law, this F equal to mass into acceleration. F equal to mass into acceleration. We can write this equation using mass into acceleration. The equation becomes m into a equal to minus k into x. Or see, the equation again modifies like this: acceleration equal to minus k by m into x. But this acceleration is nothing but double derivative of displacement, that is d2x by dt square. Acceleration is nothing but double derivative of the displacement, d2x by dt square. Write this equation in the place of this acceleration. The equation becomes d2x divided by dt square equal to minus k by m into x. Or we can write this d2x divided by dt square plus k by m into x equal to 0. Now this constant, let k by m equal to omega square. Hence the equation becomes d2x by dt square plus omega square x equal to 0. This is our required equation for linear simple harmonic motion. This is the differential equation for linear simple harmonic motion. See again, this d2x by dt square is nothing but acceleration. In next article we have to find the equations for displacement x, velocity v and acceleration a using this differential equation. Our next article is this, to find the equations for x, v and a using this differential equation. This is the differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion. Okay.